Meaning of donut.
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 Donut. A donut is a type of fried dough confectionery that is usually shaped like a torus, with a hole in the center. It is typically sweet, although savory versions also exist. Donuts are popular around the world, often sold in bakeries, supermarkets, and fast food restaurants. They can be enjoyed as a breakfast food or as a snack throughout the day. Donuts come in many flavors and toppings, such as chocolate, frosting, sprinkles, and jelly. In recent years, there has been a trend towards gourmet donuts, with unique and creative flavor combinations.